Welcome in our lecture 11 part B, format for quality objective statement. In this video we will share with you the blank format of the quality objective statement and the example of the quality objective statement filled in the blank format. This format is for approved quality objective for the period of first quarter July 1, 2022 to September 30, 2022. This would be the first quarter of the fiscal year if organization is maintaining their fiscal year from July to June. Otherwise, you will be described quarter 1 from January 1 to March 30. For the period of first quarter July 1, 2022 to September 30, 2022. This first quarter is in case for the fiscal year from July 1, 2022 to June 30, 2023. Now here under the quality objective heading, write your quality objective statements. At the end, please write reviewed by and approved by. For structure of the format, I mean the control number, department name, company, logo, header and footers, please refer to our control document procedure. Now I am sharing with you how to fill this format with the example of the few quality objectives. Maintain inventory accuracy by 99.5% till September 2022 and then gradually increase. This is the one example of the quality objective. Department of Material Management or Department of Store has described here for approval purpose. Now see the second example. Maintain location and tagging accuracy to 99.5% till September 2022 and then gradually increase. Monitoring inventory of perishable items on fortnightly basis twice in a month and take corrective preventive measures. Similarly, increase the awareness of store management system or the material management system and maintain costing through one briefing session and one refresher training on the topic of training given in past in each quarter for plant management staff. This quality objective is specifically not looking to be smart because this is related to the ERP system company is using for transactions of material. So the store department provide training to the user department how to use inventory management system software. One cost saving project for each quarter. Such project is for value addition in all departments through structure control of the quality management system in order to reduce organizational fat and increase profitability of the company. Department will describe their respective cost saving project related approved quality objective statement and will report on progression in the management review meeting. These quality objectives are written by the department concerns and reviewed by the manager or the plant manager, and date of the review is mentioned. After review, this document is forwarded for the management approval. GM, director, chief executive, as described in the quality management system, will approve this quality objective statements for the department, and department will be working in the entire quarter according to these quality objective. These quality objective statement either remain continue for the next 3 quarter, I mean the entire fiscal year, or this may be changed in the next quarter as per the decision taken by the department and approval authorities. These quality objective can be changed, amend, add more quality objective or deplete any quality objective as decided in the management review meeting. Conclusively, thank you for watching this video.